Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to auto scroll through Instagram Reels without touching your phone. Let's jump in. Step 1. You need to enable the voice control. To do that, go to your settings on iPhone. Scroll down and select the accessibility. Under the physical and motor, tap the voice control and turn it on. You'll see a blue microphone icon at the top of your screen. This means the voice control is active. Next, open the Instagram and use the voice commands. Launch the Instagram and go to the Reels section. Simply say swipe up and watch as your phone scrolls through Reels automatically. And that's it. Now you can enjoy the hands-free scrolling on Instagram Reels. If this video helped, drop a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more awesome tips.